Yes, let's move on to the next advantage. That is the third advantage. It can show greater details of a smaller place. Students, I have given you the example earlier also when we were discussing the definition that maps shows the greater details of a smaller place. For example, let's take the example of our country India. You know, when we look at the word map, our country is this one. In word map we can't see the states and the capitals, and we can't see even any detail of our country India. If we want to study, if we want the detail of our country India, then we have to look the map of India. In this, the states and capitals are located, right? So map shows the greater details of a smaller place. We can have the map of a market also. To know the way of the market, we can have the map of that also. Even you can see on the wedding cards, sometimes it is given the road maps at the back of the card. Why? Why these road maps are given on the wedding cards? To help the people in reaching the destination easily. So we can say that map shows the greater details of a smaller place. Every little detail is given on the map of a smaller place. Now let's move to the fourth advantage. Map shows the location of different features like mountains, deserts, forests, etc. Not even the states and the capitals, not only the states and capitals, but map also shows the mountains, the deserts, the forest, the crops and other things which are found at a given place. It shows the different features, physical features on the earth also. Now what are different physical features? We have discussed in the fourth class also. Different physical features are the mountains, plains, the deserts, the plateaus and the coastal plain and the islands. And we can easily locate them in the maps.